Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to report election day problems. So just tap on my browser where is the official website is nas.org. So you can also visit this website of civil rights. Report a problem civil rights violation example disclaimer on the basis of race, color or membership in a language minorities group while voting or attempting to vote, voter registration issues, lack of accessibility while voting, absent voting issues for uniformed service or overseas voters. So you can just visit this. So all complaints related to violation, threats or violation or intimidation at a polling place should be reported first to local police authorities by calling 911. So after alerting local law enforcement and to such emergencies by calling 911, the public should contact them. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.